What's up, guys? In today's video, we are doing an unboxing. And we're unboxing. It's a mystery. In this bag, I don't think I probably know them. First off, Overwatch. Then, second off, Overwatch. This is going to be a short video, but okay, I'm ready to open this. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, here in my new office. Anyway, okay, let's try the other one. Pull tag? Anyway. Oh! I opened it! Yeah! Oh, oh wait! I love this guy! Oh, it's a cowboy man! Oh, I don't know. I can't read. Anyways. This guy looks so cool. My parents. Whatever. Whoa. Hashtag gaming. Anyways, I'm gonna do 3 uploads today. Anyways. I don't wonder who it is. What? Nice! It's the one in the front cover. Nice. Nice. Okay. So here they are. Look here, boy. I'd like to. Okay, wait. I'm gonna start moving. There he is. These are like the 2 characters I want. I'm probably gonna get more, but I wanted Soldier 76, Reaper, and I don't know how to say his name, but I wanted that guy right there. And then here's a close-up as the main character. To me, even though it's the main character. It's so small. It's supposed to look like that. Oh, this is great. So, anyways, if you like this video, please subscribe. And if you want more blind bags unboxings, please subscribe. And me and my sister are about to do a challenge. So if you want to see that, please subscribe. And see you in the next video. Bye.